In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows Update error code 0x8024002e on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on System. Scroll down and click Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here we can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. So click the Run button corresponding to Windows Update. To run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, it will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. After running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then the next thing that we can do is to reset the Windows Update component. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click Yes. Copy these commands which will be posted in the description box below. Control V. Hit Enter. Hit Enter. Then type Exit. Hit enter, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.